Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel candy. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. You'll need granulated sugar, unsalted butter, heavy cream, and a touch of corn syrup. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and helps prevent any last-minute scrambling. This preparation is key for perfect caramel. Next, combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water in the heavy-bottomed pot. Stir this mixture gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Allow the syrup to boil undisturbed until it reaches a beautiful golden amber color. This stage is crucial for developing the caramel's deep flavor. Now, in a separate small saucepan, gently warm your heavy cream and butter until the butter is melted and the mixture is hot, but not boiling. Carefully and slowly pour this warm, dairy mixture into your hot sugar syrup, stirring constantly. Continue to cook and stir until your candy thermometer reads exactly 245 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature ensures perfect caramel consistency. Once your caramel reaches the target temperature, immediately pour it into your prepared 8x8-inch pan. Resist the urge to touch it. Allow the caramel to cool completely at room temperature for several hours, or even overnight, until it's firm. Then, cut it into 1-inch squares and wrap each piece individually. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade caramel candy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.